Okay, this how-to video is going to talk about the Symphony Team Design option that's available with the Allegro PCB Designer license. So it's an add-on option that you can purchase or rent, and it will allow you to effectively have multiple users working on the same board file at the same time, which can be really good when you've got tight deadlines to meet. So what we need to do is make sure everybody has that license level. So from the file menu we can go to the change editor. We need at least an Allegro PCB Designer license with a Symphony Team Design option. So as the master board design, or the master owner of the board, he would effectively start the Symphony server. So from the file menu, start Symphony server. This then effectively opens up Symphony or the design to be accessed on the local host. So a separate user, I'm going to obviously demonstrate this on one screen. You would have other people dialing in from different locations. So I'm just going to start another instance of PCB Editor. I'm going to take an Allegro PCB Designer license with a Symphony Team Design option. And when my license starts, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the file menu, and I can then do Symphony Connect. This shows the host name, so this is the host name where the board is being run from. So I'm going to query the host, and then there's effectively my demo design, so I can then connect. So now that I've connected, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these side by side. So this is effectively the user that's remoted in, and this one here is the master team owner. If we look at the users, obviously it's both me, but obviously different colours represent the different users. So from a routing point of view, you should notice that when one user is routing, you'd actually see that colour indicate on the pins. But let's start off with doing some basic routing. So I'll come in on this part of the design, and if I just do add connect, I'm going to window select these connections. I'm going to use the contour mode here, so let's go effectively contour with an extra gap, click OK, and then I will just guide up, put some routing down here, and you can see in the master board on the right hand side that routing has been added. I double click to add some wires, I can place the wires down, that routing is then added. So when I've completed that, let's just do a right click done. You'll notice that routing has been added into the master board file, which is the key point here. Let's just zoom into a similar kind of area. So the master designer is working on this RF section, he can go into the add connect command and start to route, and you'll notice the colour corresponds to the user. So he's working on these nets here, so the colour shows the other user where that guy is working. So if we go to a slightly different section, maybe let's just go up to here, I'll come over to this part of the design, we'll start to route. Let's go to the options pane and we'll just go into hug only. And I can start to route, and you can see the green indication of the colours that the guy is actually, so the guy on the left is doing routing in this area. So it would advise you to kind of keep away. Now obviously there are logs we can look at. So if we look at the users, there's two users, there's some log files, some log files saying which person is doing the change, and some various options about the ports, etc., from when you're doing some design work. So a really useful option. You can have multiple people. I'm only showing 2 people at the moment, obviously limited to size of screens, etc., but you can have multiple users dialing into the same board file to get your designs completed quicker.